Today on Designing Spaces, I'm not just the host, I'm also the homeowner, and I teamed up with Parker Davis HVAC International to break down the top 5 reasons you should install a ductless mini split system in your space, and we'll show you how to get it done yourself. So I'm Scott David. I live here in South Florida in this home that we've been in for about 3 years. You know, one of the big things in Florida, as you know, is it's hot here. We have a pretty new HVAC system that was installed right around 2021 and overall does a pretty good job. But one of the things we really notice is in the summer, we're having a hard time cooling our bedroom, which is on the other side of the house. So we find ourselves cranking the air down really, really low to keep the house cool, and it's really wasting a lot of energy. So we've been doing some research and we came across a company called Parker Davis and their brand of Pioneer ductless mini split systems. Been working with Aaron and the team over there, going through a couple of different options that are gonna help us for our needs. I think we've nailed it down. Seems like a pretty simple solution that should be able to add a really easy cooling and heating option for that bedroom. And in the summer, I'm really thinking it's gonna make a huge impact, not only comfort-wise, but also energy efficiency-wise. Now that we've decided on which ductless mini split system will work best for my bedroom, the Parker Davis team is on their way over to help get my unit set up. Hey Aaron, good to meet you.
Good, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good, glad you're here.
You excited to get some heating and cooling?
I sure am, I'm glad you're gonna help me out. I'm looking forward to getting it going. Come on in.
Let's get started.
All right, absolutely. All right, Aaron, this is the room I sent you the pictures of.
Okay, well those helped a lot, yeah. I think the unit we've chosen for you today is gonna be perfect.
Yeah.
This is our Diamante Ultra system, and it's our most premium looking unit, so it's gonna blend seamlessly with this decor here.
That's awesome, my wife will be happy about that.
I think you will be too. It's heating and cooling year round, so you got the year-round comfort benefit.
I'm super excited about that. I know we've been talking about this. We have a relatively late model unit on this house, but especially in the hot months here in South Florida, we are struggling to get this room to a reasonable temperature.
That's one of the great benefits of ductless is you get that unique zone control. You can have this bedroom set to whatever temperature you like and the rest of the house kept at 70 or 75, however you like it.
Okay.
And speaking of savings, this is actually an Energy Star certified system, so you're going to be qualifying for the 30% tax credit when it comes time to file taxes.
Saving on both sides. Well, I'm glad that you guys are here to help me through this, but I can't wait to see it go in and get this cooling and going.
Same here, yeah. I've got my crew ready to install, but this is also a do-yourself system. So, you know, who knows, after today, you may even help your neighbor install it.
I'll put out a mailer and I'll be installing their ductless systems down the whole street.
That's a nice side hustle.
All right, well, let's get it going. I'm excited about it.
Let's do it. All right, Scott, so here's where we're at. We've got the wall hole drilled. We've got the bracket mounted on the wall, which you yourself actually helped out with.
Feel pretty good about that myself.
So next step is the guys are gonna mount the unit on the wall. The hot air is gonna go in through the top and then cool air out the bottom.
All right, so what are the next steps?
Inside part's all done now. Now we're gonna go outside and install the outside unit.
Okay, and then after that, we're pretty much ready to get my phone going.
Yeah, of course, I'm gonna show you how it all works.
Let's go for it.
Let's do it. All right, Scott, so we've got the outdoor unit all mounted up.
Yeah, looks good.
You opted for the wall mount, which I think is great for space saving underneath.
Yep.
And what's great about this kind of design is that you have the outside unit away from your bedroom. This is what does all the work in here. And so you're not gonna have any of that noise inside. The only moving part is a spinning blower wheel.
Okay.
And that's gonna have a very silent bedroom.
So this is actually doing all the cooling or heating and then transferring that inside to the unit over the bed.
Pretty much, exactly.
Gotcha,
And
okay.
what's left now is we just wire it up to the electrical, connect the pipes up, and then you should be good to go.
And what is the warranty on this?
This system actually carries one of our best warranties. You get up to 7 years for parts and
wow.
for 10 years on the compressor itself, which is the kind of heart of the system.
That's got a lot of peace of mind. While the Parker Davis team finishes up the outdoor installation, Aaron and I are heading back inside to install the app on my phone and get my bedroom nice and chilly.
All right, Scott, so we got everything all up and running.
It feels awesome. I can feel it right over here. It is icy cold. I'm super excited about it.
I love it. So this is gonna be your remote. This is the main point of control for the unit.
I did download the app, so I've got it ready to go. We're just gonna add this to it and then I control that anywhere in the world, correct?
That's correct.
Okay,
Let's get
so
started.
I got the icon right here. We're gonna press that.
Okay. Now we're gonna put the unit to pairing mode. All we do is press this button 6 times, the display button. Okay. Then you hear that confirmation beep, and then you go to add device here, pick air conditioner.
Boom, we're connected. 70, 70, I see it.
There you go. Now,
This is super easy to use too as well.
let's change the temperature. Let's set it to 72.
There you go.
There you go.
On the business. You guys were awesome. I am really excited about this. Thank you for being here and for helping me out. And now I can sleep in a nice, icy cold room.
If you're happy, we're very happy.
Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure.
Are you looking for easy and affordable solutions to make your space more comfortable and enjoyable? Visit PioneerMiniSplit.com to browse a variety of products from Parker Davis HVAC International and schedule your installation today.